This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Andrea Pease. Vacant, ready, cleaned and sanitized for our lucky buyer. This is a real find. Continually updated brick ranch with replacement windows, remodeled kitchen and baths, sunroom overlooking patio gardens and located on a nice corner, professionally landscaped lot with fenced backyard, an enclosed dog pen, and a gardening shed. Sparkling hardwood floors throughout the living and bedroom areas, some rooms freshly painted, kitchen has newer cabinets, granite countertops, black appliances, garden window over sink overlooking gardens. Master hasjetted tub and both baths have grab bars. Roof replaced in 2005. Beautifully maintained and comes with a 1-year homebuyer warranty. Security system, in-ground irrigation, and under termite contract with Orkin. Convenient area closeto schools, shopping, medical, and interstate. This one has had lots of love and attention. Even cleaned and sanitized for a perfect move-in experience. For more information,